price of the entry ticket or something like that, wondering where your money goes? It goes on fuel for this. We spend it on monster truck juice. There's about 450 feet of CDS tube going to make the chassis on this thing. And sleep. Back in the room. Right, that wasn't the stunt show, guys. I just want to reiterate right now, this is just a warm-up. We need to warm the truck up, make sure everything's all right. Drew's going to have a little bit of a chat, then we'll get him all on the safety gear, and then we'll throw it through the air again, then have a little car crash for you. You can see Keith. What's up, Keith? You're going to burn yourself horribly in the groin area there. You're such a compassionate team captain there, aren't you, Drew?
Well, that's it, I'm the boss man.
So if he burns his privates, you don't care?
Well, I mean, stay tuned, because we're not reading.
Let's not go there, it's a family show, after all. Right then, so Podzilla, give us some basic facts so the guys can understand what they're looking at here.
She's basically the oldest UK-built racing truck. She's about 16 years old now. Last weekend was our 7th anniversary here. She's based on a mid-90s Chevrolet 1500, but obviously it only looks like a pickup truck. It's actually a fiberglass body on a big roll cage, although we do have an original steel bonnet on it. The engine's basically roughly based on a Chevrolet big block, but she's been punched out and stroked, so she's actually 472 cubic inch. So for the guys that don't know the difference, that's 7.7 litres.